Hello, my new friends. Welcome to my channel. I am really excited about this new adventure. So I hope you guys learn with me. All this is completely new for me. And the fun part is we're going to be learning together. In this first video, I'm going to be showing you some stuff that I bought. I'm getting ready to start the videos. First, we're going to be needing this hidden bond. I bought some stabilizers and I bought this one. It's iron on tearaway because I'm planning to embroider some beanies. I already bought the beanies. So I'm going to try the iron on tearaway for the top. I also bought this water soluble stabilizer. And I already tried this one in a beanie. So I really want to try to see the difference between these two. But I'll be showing you in the videos. I also bought this one in this tearaway. So like I said, I'm new into this. So all these products, I'm going to be trying them with you during the tutorials. I'm just showing you the stuff that I bought that I think I'm going to need to start. And I bought this Tender Touch. This is to add to the back of your project. Like if you make a shirt or something that is going to be touching the skin, this is what you gotta use. I'm going to show you some stuff that I have embroidered. Don't laugh because, I don't know anything. Just remember about that. So this was my first project, right? So this is the first thing I ever embroidered in my entire life. So I had no clue what I was doing. So I bought my sewing machine and it came with some stabilizers. So I decided to embroider something and I'm selling some face masks on my Etsy shop, so I decided to embroider one of the masks. So as you can see, to be my first project, I don't think that's horrible. If some professional embroiders see it, probably they will say like, no, that's bad. But to be my first project, I think it's okay. This was the first thing I ever embroidered. So let's go to the second. My daughter loves Elsa, so I bought the pattern. I think to be my second project, it turned out great. I like it. It's decent, I think. This is the way it looks on the back. So I'm not that discouraged. I think I'm gonna get better with the time. So I'm proud about this one. Now here's the failure. I got Embrilliance Essentials. I contacted Embrilliance and they give me a trial for the Embrilliance Essential. The link is going to be in the description box. So I got to play with the software a little bit. I think I'm going to be able to show you some stuff in there. So I love butterflies. And I decided to create some butterflies in Embrilliance and then send it to my machine. And yeah, this was not that great. The creating the butterflies in Embrilliance, they're already there, so you just have to place them the way you like them. Right here, as you can see, it didn't turn out that great. One, the fabric is really thin. I didn't know what I was doing. I wasn't sure. So like I said, I just have some stabilizer that come with my machine. I decide to try it. So the part that I felt right here is the I'm not sure because I haven't looked into that very much, but I don't know if there's a way in Embrilliance, and if you know, please leave me a comment and let me know if there's a way to change the width of the satin stitch because that's really thin. So I tried to cut my fabric as much as I could, but as you can see, it still fell. So it doesn't look that bad. I wear this mask and I get compliments. So maybe because people is not that close to me, they can really notice that it's not that great. So I try it again. And this is a really thin fabric. And I put like 3 things of stabilizer, which now I know you're supposed to put 1 or then use like a different kind, like the one that dissolve in water. But in this one, as you can see, I trimmed the edges and I was afraid to go further. So then I started sewing and I didn't like it, so I just quit. I just said, you know what, this is not gonna work. I decided I was gonna stop till I order the right stabilizers. I just wanted to show you that I'm not discouraged. I mean, I'm just learning. This, yeah, they're not really bad, but I'll get better. So this is all for today. I just wanted to show you where I'm standing at this point with embroidery. I bought heat press. I bought a Cricut, and I have some Madeira thread. I also bought some vinyl heat transfer. So I've been buying a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna try to make a video pretty soon. Please let me know all your comments. I'm gonna be strong. You gotta understand this. These are my first tries. But if you know a lot of things that can make me learn faster, please leave me a comment and all your suggestions. I'm open to hear good and bad. So until next video, thank you. Bye.